The effects of COVID-19. COVID-19 has taken the lives of over 270,000 U.S. citizens. It has affected over 14 million people here in the United States. It has caused food shortages and crisis in the grocery stores. We have been made to wear masks in public. There has been a loss of jobs and income across the United States. Small businesses have had to close. People are in a state of panic due to COVID, not just because of the illness, but because of the economy as well. Since the pandemic, people have feared leaving their home because of the uncertainty of not knowing if they're going to catch the virus. Tests at one point were taking up to 10 days to come back. Shortage of tests were an issue for a while as well, and not being able to be around our loved ones because of the fear that we would give it to them were a big issue. So what's the solution, you ask? COVID vision. COVID vision gives me the power to see the germs before they have a chance to get near me. COVID vision are glasses that detect the germs everywhere and allows us to send powerful rays that kill the virus immediately. That beats the heck out of those pesky masks, huh? How is it going to work? Well, step one, everyone will be provided a pair of glasses that allows you to see the germs. Step two, once you spot these pesky germs, you can immediately signal by a simple touch on the side of the glasses to launch the attack on the virus. Step three, the glasses then shoot out a spray that kills the virus on contact. But don't worry, it's not harmful to humans or animals. But something horrible happens. The button on the glasses failed to do its job, so what are we going to do? Immediately, we're going to grab our mask to protect ourselves. We're going to maintain the 6-foot rule to avoid contact, and we're going to go to our COVID protection warehouse to get an immediate replacement. Can my solution be done without a superpower? Well, with the way technology is right now and the way it's going, I do believe that in the future we could come up with something that could kill these germs without having to put ourselves in an uncomfortable situation that we're in right now due to the COVID-19 pandemic.